Okay guys, so this one is a hip hop beat. What we want to do throughout the whole thing is keep a strong backbeat. We want to keep clapping on 2 and 4. So we have 1, clap, 2, 3, clap, 4. 1, clap, 2, 3, clap, 4. Now what you also want to do is make sure you've got some strong beats with your foot. So all you need to do is stamp 1, 2. Now you might notice I might go bum bum, completely up to you, okay? Now Russell will count out 1, 2, 3, 4, there's a break. All we're going to do, we're not going to do any counts, you need to stay silent in that bit. What helps us is we rock. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then there's a hip hop, and I want everyone to say hip hop. We smack our hips, we jump to the side, hop, and you can do this or whatever you fancy, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hop. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Stop, break. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Hip hop. Stop, break. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Hip hop. Stop, break. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Hip hop. Stop, break. 1, 2, 3,